In this video, I will show you how to install the Cinnamon desktop. This desktop is the one used by Linux Mint, and it looks a bit like the traditional Windows bar. The first thing to do is to start Termux. In this case, I will do it from the graphical desktop for convenience, but you can do it simply from the terminal. Once the terminal is open, we install Cinnamon with the command you see on the screen. When the process is finished, we go to the link in the description where I'm going to leave a new script specifically for Cinnamon. The process is the same as the one I describe in the Termux X11 video in case you want to take a look at it. Here I'm directly editing the XFCE4 script to launch the Cinnamon desktop, but you won't need it if you download the script directly from GitHub. Once we run the script, Termux X11 will open directly, and we will have access to our graphical environment. I hope you liked it, and if you want any other desktop, leave it in the comments.